In order to continue with your product import using the data importer, ensure your CSV file is ready for import with all the correct data. It is particularly important to have the stock code field, as this acts as an anchor for your product when integrating. It is also useful to have your primary departments in alphabetical order to assist with the next stage. You can see here there are various fields we will be importing for the products. Next, navigate to the data importer and go to step 3, Upload Spreadsheet. Then select the file you want to import. You will see the data populates in the frame of the importer. Continue to step 4, Department Selection, where we will assign the product a department. This is an important step as it indicates where the product will sit on the site. Select the first set of products with the first primary department. You can select multiple cells at a time, and this is where it is useful to have your primary departments in alphabetical order. Please ensure you do not select the column header. Then go to Click to Select Department, and find the department that you'd like the products to sit within. You cannot select more than one primary department. To have the products sit in more than one place on the site, you will need to use the Reference Departments column. Please see separate video for instructions on this. Once you have selected the primary department, you will see that a code has populated within the primary department cell. This code shows the importer where in the site to place the product. Continue to assign the rest of the primary departments. You may find that the cell will clear when you remove the previous primary department. This is in the cell for your reference, so continue to add in the correct primary department and it will then populate the cell with a code. It is useful to have your original CSV file open at this stage for your reference. The next step is to upload the images. Proceed to step 5 and select Upload. Then select the required images. These will need to be within one folder, with no subfolders. Proceed to step 6 to upload files, using the same process as images. In step 7, you can preview where in the catalog your products will be importing to. Once the import is complete, it will automatically download a report. If there are any errors, these will all be on the report. Please share with your onboarding lead, customer success lead, or the support team if there are any errors you're unsure of, for investigation. You can now close the window and view the products within the catalog. When you navigate to the site, you will also see the product and all fields that have been imported.